Hello friends and fellow artists, this is Art and Wine. My name's Jaime Byrd, and today instead of doing some painting, I'm sorry, I will get back to my painting here very soon, but the other thing that I do when I'm on the road traveling is I make videos for small businesses and small local businesses around the globe. If you like art, you like wine, you like creative stuff and all the crazy stuff that we do while traveling around the world, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know every time I put up a new video. My life is kind of split between being a painter, being a filmmaker, so I thought it was only natural to also let you see a little bit of how I do this. Today I wanted to take you on that adventure with us. We're going to be filming a food promotional video for a local restaurant. The restaurant is called Santa Huacal. It's located in Pátzcuaro, Mexico. Sam and Miguel are the owners, and they're a great couple. We love them both, and so we really thought it would be fun to put together a video for them. I decided that it would be really great to do a social media promotional video for them, and that really would include kind of a short video that would spend more time focusing on the food and less about what kind of restaurant it is. Well, we're here in Sam's kitchen, and this is a little bit of how I'm going to shoot this. We are setting up all the food beforehand in really nice, clean containers so that we can have it all ready to shoot and go in order. Sam is an amazing creative person, and her food really comes out as showing that. It's a fusion, but it's absolutely rooted a traditional Mexican cooking. Real quick come in of the hand, and then I'm going to push over to the flame. So we're actually going to have this a little off.
Yeah, so you can just get the shot.
And then get that.
Okay.
A lot of her food is also influenced from the time that she's lived in Oaxaca, so it only seemed kind of natural for us to focus in on a very traditional dish from Oaxaca, which is mole. Sam has her own idea of how she does her mole. It's one of the best moles I've ever tasted.
I was gonna just place like a little...
Yeah, just place a little thing. Taking a little break here. It's Mexico out there.
It's totally Mexico out there.
It was just a great way for me to get a better feeling of how she works with food and the kind of love that she puts into her dishes. This shoot went amazing. Everybody was great. Sam was great, Miguel was great, Brian is great, Adam was great. It was a lot of fun. We really enjoyed being in their kitchen, watching Sam do this process. Thanks so much for all the support. I really appreciate it. I will get back to painting here. So please leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I will be happy to address them. Subscribe, please, and remember, hit the notification bell. And also watch this video over here. This one will tell you more about my oil and cold wax process when I am painting. So until next time, drink good wine and stay creative.